Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.2 question number second part second. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. I want to describe about polynomial. Means how you can find the value of given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it. It means you can find the value of given polynomial by two methods: remainder theorem and factor theorem. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Px means dividend, Gx means divisor, Qx means quotient, Rx means remainder. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2 question number 2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. Second question, Pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square plus minus t cube. It is your polynomial. You find the value of this polynomial. Clear? You put the value of t equal to 0 in first step, and in second step you put t equal to 1 in given polynomial. In third step you put p equal to t equal to 2 in given polynomial. In this way you can solve your question step by step in 3 times. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the book. Second solution. Let Pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. It is given polynomial. Here t equal to 0. Here t equal to 0. It means you put the value of t equal to 0 in given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. P0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 multiply 0 square minus 0 cube. Put t equal to 0 at given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. 2 plus 0 plus 2 multiply 0 multiply 0 minus 0 multiply 0 multiply 0 3 times. P0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. It become 2. P0 equal to 2. Your answer. It means you find the value of given polynomial by putting the value of t equal to 0. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here the value of t is 0. Here 2 t 0 2 multiply t square means 0 square. Here t cube means 0 cube. Put t equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? p0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 0 square means 0 multiply 0 2 times. 2 multiply 0 multiply 0 minus 0 cube means 0 multiply 0 3 times. It become p0 equal to 2 plus 0, it become 0 and it become 0. Clear? It become 2. Clear? It means your answer is 2. You find the value of given polynomial is 2 by putting the value of t equal to 0 in first step. Clear? First step is clear, no confusion about it. It is clear? See the word. Next step. Let pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Where t equal to, next time you put the value of t equal to 1. Clear? T equal to 1. It is given polynomial and put t equal to 1. Clear? It become p1 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 multiply 1 square minus 1 cube. Put t equal to 1 in given polynomial. It is clear? You put the value of t equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? Here p1 equal to 2 plus the value of t is 1. Clear? Plus here t square means 1 square. It become 2 multiply 1 minus 1 cube. Value of t is 1 means 1 multiply 1 3 times. It become 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Here 2 1 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 1 ja 1. Clear? It become 2 1 3 and 2. Or you cut minus 1 and plus 1. It become 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 is your answer. P1 equal to 4 answer. You find your answer 4. Clear? By putting the value of t equal to 1 in given polynomial. It is easy. You find your answer very easily. It is clear? No confusion about your solution. Clear? Next step. Let pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Where t equal to, next time you put t equal to 2. First time you put t equal to 0. Second time you put t equal to 1. And third time t equal to 2. Clear? T equal to 2. It is given polynomial. Clear? P2 equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 multiply 2 square minus 2 cube. Put t equal to 2 in given polynomial. It is clear? You put t equal to 2 in given polynomial. Given polynomial is pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Clear? p2 equal to 2 plus here 2 multiply 2. 2 square means 2 multiply 2. Clear? Minus 2 multiply 2. 3 times. It is clear? It becomes 2 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8. Clear? Here plus 8 and minus 8. Cut plus 8 and minus 8. Clear? It becomes 4. P2 equal to 4. Answer. You find 4. It means your answer is 4. Clear? No confusion about it. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it. Your solution is clear. It is easy. Very good. You can solve any question by the help of this solution. Clear? Very good. Okay.